Hi everyone. Okay, we'll start today's section. Yesterday we had seen what is CSS and how to implement CSS and how to change link colors using CSS, right? Today we will see HTML images. How we can put images into our web browser or our website. How we can use our images as links and we will create one form, okay? So first we'll start with our topic HTML images. The HTML image tag is used to abandon an image into a website. So here to put images into our website or our HTML page, we have to use image tag. Okay, here I had given the image tag. So inside angular brackets, we are going to use img. So which is going to be said as image tag. Images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to a web page. That's why when we open a web page or a browser, if you use anything in browser, it takes some time to load our images, right? So this is the main reason why it will take some time, because we are just linking our image to our web page, so it will take some time to open one link, right? So that's the main reason why some images took some long time to open it. Okay, the image tag creates a holding space for the referent image. Okay, the image tag is empty. We are not going to give anything inside it, but it contains attributes. We are not going to end our image tag. Okay, we are not closing our image tag. Okay, so image tag going to has two attributes. One is src, which is nothing but source attribute. Second one is alt, which is nothing but an alternate text attribute. Okay, so two attributes. One is source attribute, which we are going to give our specific part to our image, and alt attribute, which we are going to specify an alternate text for the image. Okay, these are few syntax I have given. So this is the main syntax. Okay, this is the main syntax how we can implement our image into our website. Okay, just we will go through Visual Studio Code and we will see. Okay, just I am copying this image. Okay, image name, just I will copy it. These are all things we had seen in yesterday's class, right? Just I will remove everything. Yeah, inside the body, just I will open image tag, and inside that I will give source. So just I am pasting my image name. Okay, this is my image name I had downloaded from online. You can download if you have any image in your PC. You can use that image name. Okay, but image and file should be in same folder. Then only the image will open. Please remember this one. The file and the image should be in the same folder. If both are in different folders, then the image will not open when we are working with your browser. Okay, so after that I have to give alternate text, right? So just I will use alt. So just I will give image. Okay, image. So just we will go through the browser and we will see the output. Okay, I have to open the browser. Okay, just give. I think you are able to see the output, right? This is the image I had given. Okay, okay. See, I had given image, right? Just I had given image. I had not given any width or height or style, how it's going to be. Just I had given a image and I had given text, image text, right? So here first we had seen example 1, right? So just we will go through example 2. So just we will see dot png is nothing but our image format, okay? Which if I had downloaded dot jpng, we are going to get dot jpng, okay? See, dot png is nothing but which format we had downloaded our image. There is nothing to do with dot png, okay? Just the image type what we had downloaded and that we are going to give here, okay? See, here I had given dot jpg because my image format is in dot jpg, okay? No problem if you use dot png, that's your wish, okay? But you have to mention which type of your image, okay? Which type you have downloaded from net, okay? So just we will go through example 2, which is nothing but we are going to use width and height. We had seen in css, right? We are not gone much in css because we are going to work all css in our following classes, okay? That's why I had not taken much in our css. Just I had said how to use and how to implement. So just I will use width and height inside our image tag, okay? Just we will go through Visual Studio Code and we will implement it, okay? See, just I will give width equal to 20, okay? Or 20%, okay? And height equal to 20%. Just we will go there and we will see whether anything is changing in our browser or not, or it still remains same. Just we will go there and we will check it. Yeah, just I am refreshing the page. See, you can able to see, right? Before my image is a long and large, but now it came to certain position and certain with certain height and certain width, right? Just I given 20% and 20% for both. Now I will give 20% for height and 50% for width, okay? And we will see. Just I will give 50% for width, okay? Just we will see the output. Just I will refresh the page, okay? See, now image is increasing. So width and height we are going to use for getting our image position, okay? If I want to represent a whole website for that image, we can just give without using width and height. If I want to specify certain position of that image, like it have to be in small size or large size or medium size, by using width and height you can change how much we want to show to the end user, okay? This we can do in two ways, by using style and without using style. Now we had seen without using style, okay? Now you will use style tag and we will see there is not going to be much difference between using that and this, but just we will see. This is also another way where we can fix our width and height, okay? Just we will go through style, okay? Just I will give style. So just I will give width 40% and then height 100%, okay? Just I will give 100%. Just I will remove these two, okay? Now we will see the output, okay? See, is there any change? No, right? So you can give inside style or you can give outside style, okay? That is our wish. But this is another way of doing or fixing our width and height for our image, okay? This is just we will see how to use image as a link. To use image as a link, put image tag inside the a tag. Why we will use a tag? Put our links, right? So when we are working with the links, we are going to use a tag, right? So here just put a image tag inside the a tag. See, I had given, right, a tag. I had started with a tag and I had used href. Inside the href only we are going to put our image, sorry, our links, right, our link source where we have to go. If I want to open Google means we will give just http://google.com. So in the same way I am giving image name here, okay. So inside the a tag I am giving image source and alt, which is nothing but a name for that image, and I am fixing width and height, okay, and I am closing a tag at the end, okay. If I click on this image, I want to open another image, just we are doing that thing here, okay. So that's why I will use another image to work with it, okay. Here I are given same images, so if we work on with same image we may get confused, so just I will download one image, okay. Okay, just we will go through Visual Studio Code and we will see the output. How you can use image as a image. Here I am using an image to open another image, okay. In the sense I am using one image to open I can use an image to open any website also, just we have to give our link, okay. So just I am just here opening my a tag, okay. Inside the a tag only we are going to give. Here I will sorry, I am starting href. So here I will give. So just I had downloaded an image and I had changed its name as 123, okay. So if I click on source image, it's going to be open an href, okay. Just we will go there and we will see the output, then you are able to understand what I am saying, okay. Just I will refresh the page. See, now I am clicking on this page, it's showing anything? No, right? Just I will refresh the page, okay. See, now you are able to see it's showing hand type, which is nothing but it is in the form of link. When we go nearby through a link, it will show like hand type, right? See, you are able to see it. Then it's showing my file also, where I had stored the image. So just I will click on it, okay. You are able to see it is opening another image. But in previous program, you are not able to open another image, right? So here I am using one image to open another image, okay. So if you want to give any link, you can give inside the href, okay. Then you are able to get in through that website when you click that certain image, okay. So we will work with forms. So this is the last topic of chapter 1, okay. If we are completed with forms, we are going to create a chapter 1 project, which is nothing but resume, okay. So first we will work on with our forms, okay. Just we are going to use all these tags or elements inside the forms, okay. Input tag, label tag, select tag, text area tag, button, field set, detail list, output, option group, okay. Just we'll start with our program and we will discuss how they are going to be work, okay. Just we will go through with our Visual Studio Code. Just I will remove this, okay. Yeah, first we will start with our program. We are going to create one form, right. So just I will give for title as HTML forms, okay. Just I will remove this web developer and I will give HTML forms, okay. So inside the body I will start form, okay. So when we are working with form, we are going to give form, okay, as a tag. Just I will close the form tag, okay. and then I will give label. Label we are going to use to show something to the user. Okay, just I will give label, and just I will give name. Okay, just we will see name. Okay, just we will go there and we will refresh the page and we will see whether it's coming in our web page or not. Label, just when we are dealing with forms, we are going to start with form, and first we will go with HTML and then we will again do CSS. Okay, just we will complete HTML first. So just I am using label to show something to the user. Okay, so just we will go through our browser and we will see what's showing. Just I will refresh the page. Okay, yeah, see now you are able to see name, right? Now you will work with that program. Okay, so now I will say input type, which type of input I am taking. For that I am going to use input tag. Okay, input tag, input tag also no need of closing tag. Okay, just I am saying that I am going to take name, right? So just I will say name, which type of name I am taking, first name, right? So just I will give first name. Okay, if you are interested to give name you can give, or else just we can give type. Okay, which type of input I am taking. So just I had opened input tag. I am saying to the user that which type of input I want. So just I want text type of input. So just I will say type, which type. See here you are able to see, right? Button, checkbox, color, date time, email, file, hidden image. So these are all things you can work with when you are performing type. Okay, but I want text type. Okay, just I will use text. Okay, text. Now we will go there and we will see how it works. Okay, as of now what I had did, just I had done with label tag and input tag. Just I will refresh the page. See now you are able to see some box right here. Before input tag it's not there, but after giving input tag you are able to see some, it's taking some input. See just I will give Codecho. You are able to type something, right? Just I will remove input. Okay, from Visual Studio Code, and we will see whether we can give any text or not. Okay, just I will remove this. Okay, just I am removing this, and we will go there and we will see. See now it's gone. See now I am not able to give anything. If I click also it will not showing anything, right? So when if we want to take input from the user, we have to use input tag. Okay, so as of now we have worked with only 3 tags. What are the 3 tags? First one is form tag. So which I am saying that I am working with forms. Second one is a label tag, which is going to be shown to the user. Okay, name. See I had given name, that's why I am able to show name. Now I will change it as first name. Okay, okay, first name. And I am, third one is I had used label, right? Sorry, input, right? So I am saying that which type of input I want from the user. So just I will give type, and then I will give text. Okay, text, and I will close it. Okay, now just I will copy it and I will place it 3 times. Okay, because I am going to take first name, last name, and email. Okay, just I will copy it and I will paste it, label and input for 2 times. Okay, see here I want to get last name, sorry, last name I want type as in text, and here I want email. Okay, email, and here I don't want text type, I want email type. Okay, just I will give email type. Okay, just we will go there and we will see how it going to be look. See, we are able to see, right? First name with some box which is nothing but we are going to take input from the user. So I am able to type anything. So just I will give Mr. Okay, which is nothing but mr dot, and I will give last name as Codecho. Okay, just I want to give email. Just I will give Codecho at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. See, it had taken three inputs for three fields, right? My first field is first name, second field is last name, third field is email. Okay. Okay. See, now you are able to see three in a single line. If I want three in three lines means what we are going to use? We have discussed about that, right? We can use br tag, right? Just I will give br, okay? And here also I will give br. Now we will see there whether it's coming in three lines or not, okay? See, now we are getting, right? First name, last name, email. Okay. Now we will work with select tag, okay? Which is nothing but we are going to select one thing from different fields. As of now, we have taken just input from the user, right? But now we are showing something to the user and we are going to get as an input. So for this, we are going to use select tag, okay? Just we will go there and we will see what is select tag and how it works. So for to work with select tag, we are going to give select tag. First, we have to open it, right? So before opening it, I will just I will show some name to the user, right? Just I will show favorite food, okay? Favorite food, okay? And I want show three type of food items and I want select and I want select user, okay? Just I will open with select tag, okay? Just I am opening select tag and I am giving name as food. If you want you can give. If you don't want also, you can neglect that name, okay? For all the three labels, all the three input types also. If you want, if just we will see. First we will work on it and we will see what's the difference, okay? If we give name, okay? So just I want to show the options to the user, right? See, I want user want to select three things what I had shown to the user. For that, I want to show three options to the user first, right? So just I am saying to the user that to select something. Now I want to show some options to select, right? So just I will give option tag, okay? Just I will start with option tag and I will give value as pizza, okay? Pizza, okay? And here I will give pizza again to show the user, right? Pizza, yeah. And I want to show three options to the user, right? So that's why I will just open three option tags, okay? Just I will open another one, okay? Here I will give value as hamburgers, okay? Just I will give hamburgers, okay? Burgers. And here I want to show to the user that steak, okay? Okay, just we will go there and we will see how it look like. Whether we are getting anything or not. See, now you are able to see favorite food and it's showing something down arrow, right? Which is nothing but we had given something to select for the user. I had given 3 options for the user, right? One is pizza, second one is hamburgers, and third one is steak. So from these 3 he can able to select one thing. So if I want to select hamburgers, I can select, okay? So that's the main purpose of using select and options tags. So both we will use together. First we will start with select tag and then we will start with options tag, okay? So to get in fourth line, just we are what we want to use just BR tag. So just I will open BR tag, okay? So we are going to get some input from the user and we are going to use something to the user to select. We had seen both and what we want to do at the end. Gender. Just I will show 2 things and we will get whether he is male or female, okay? For that just I will use label tag first to show gender to the user, okay? Just I will use gender, sorry, gender, yeah. Now I will use type radio, okay? So just I will use input type, as of now we have used only text, right, and email. Now we will use radio, okay? Just we will use radio and name equal to gender, okay? For what we are showing, okay? Name equal to gender. What we are showing to the user, male, right? First we will give male. For input tag also no need of closing, as I said before. Just I will use male here, okay? Just to show the user, and then just I will copy it and I will paste it because we are not going to change anything for female, okay? Just I will change male as female, okay? Just we will go there and we will see the output for this, okay? Just see, now you are able to see, right? Gender, and it had we are getting 2 radio type of buttons, male and female. From those 2 I can select only one, okay? We are not able to select both here, okay? Sorry, I have given BR tag incorrectly, that's why I think that options came down, okay? Just we will go there and we will give BR tag correctly, okay? Yeah, for label I have given above the label I have to give, right? Yeah, just I will give here, and for gender just before the input I will use BR tag, okay? We had done with a form, right? And at the end I want to get some message, okay? As of now I get some small text which is not but their names or last name or email. Now if I want to get big email, big message, okay? For that I will use text area, okay? Just I will start with label again. So here I will use message, okay? If user want to type anything he can type, okay? Message, and I will use text area. If we use text area we are going to get much space to the user to give more message, okay? Not like first name we had seen, right? For first name it's very little box, so he can able to give only its name. He is not able to type entire passage if we want type, right? So for that we are going to use text area. So just I will give name equal to message, okay? Message, and I will close the text area, okay? And we will go there and we will see the output. See, now we are able to see, right, text area. See, if I want to increase this text area I can able to increase how much I want, okay? So if I am typing something I want to make that message box to larger size, I can do. Okay, that's the main purpose of using text area. So if I want to reduce this, I can reduce. Okay, if I don't want see this much large box, just give me 1 minute. Now, see, now I can able to decrease that box. So I can increase it, I can decrease it. Okay, that's my wish. So that's why we are going to use text area. If we use that, we can decrease, we can increase. But for this, I am not able to do anything. Just I have to type. Whether it's I am able to see entire line or not, I am going to type there, right? But here I can increase. That's why for messages, if we are taking more than 50 to 60 characters or more than lines, one line or two lines, we are going to use message, which is nothing but text area. Okay, and finally we are going to view one button, right? Just we will go there and just I will use br tag here. Just I will use br tag to get into new line. Now I will give value register and I will give type as submit type. Okay, so I will start with input. Type is nothing but submit. Submit, and value is nothing but register. Okay, register, and I will close the input tag. Now we will see there. See, we are going to get one button, right? Register button. Okay, but I have not used button. Just I had given input type as submit. Okay, input, and inside the input label I had given type as submit. So just we will see by giving button. Okay, as a beginner, just I am saying brief things. Okay, just we will go with type button. Okay, just I will use input type, just I will given button and I will give value as register 2. Okay, just we will see the difference for submit type and button type. Okay, just I will use register 2 and I will close this. Okay, see, both are same, right? So there's nothing to do with those things. Just you can check when you are working with all these things. Okay, then we had done with HTML, right? So what we want, so we had shown everything. Just I will remove that last line. Okay, we had done with our HTML, right? First I want take first name, and then I want take last name, and then I want take email, and then I want select user some favorite food for him or her, and then I want choose that gender. Okay, whether he is female or male, and if he want to text something, he can text, and then he is going to be registered, right? So I have given one button. Just I will use br tag for that also to get into next line. So is there any difference using the HTML? No, right? It's always something white background and something black thing above the white background, right? So this is where our CSS works. So all CSS is going to be change this entire form. So now we will work with our CSS. Okay, just I will open style tags here. Okay, so here I am using internal CSS. Okay, so just I will open not strong style. Okay, style tag, just I will open style tag. Okay, just I will create body. Okay, where my body looks like. Okay, just I will give body. Okay, so my HTML page I want look like this. So just I am saying to my web page. Okay, Just I want to give background color. Just I will give background. Okay. Just I want to give background color. Okay. Just background color. I want to give aqua. Okay. Just we will go there and we will see whether my background for my web page is changing or not. So body is nothing but my web page, whole entire web page. Okay. So as of now it's in white color, right? Just we will go there and we will take a look whether it's changing or not. See, now we are able to see, right? Aqua color is there as my background. So just I will give it some light color. Okay. Just to show you I had used aqua, but I want just I will use some light color. Okay. Just by clicking on it, you can able to change. Okay, change your background, or else you can just give slash triple zero, which is going to show a black color. Okay, by giving that also you can change which color you want if you are not able to remember the color codes or color names. Okay, just we will go there and we will refresh the page. Okay, just I given light color. See, I think now it look like somewhat nice. Just we will use container. So just I am going to create some container to put all this content. Okay, I want to put all this content into some container. Okay, to show good to the user. Just I will create one container. Okay, in my CSS. So for the container I am going to use ID. Okay, so if we are using ID, we have to always start with slash. Okay, just slash and I will use containers. Container. Okay, so just I want to use container width, margin, border, padding and everything. Okay, just I will start with width. Okay, width, just I will give 460 px, and for the form I will give id as container. Okay, container. I have given width, right? Just I will give margin. Okay, margin as just I will give auto. Okay, and then I will give border. Okay, how much border I want to give? Just border I want to give 1 px, and solid, and then I will give color. Okay, just I am giving 000, which is showing a black color. Just I want change it as blue. Okay, just I will use thick blue for this. Okay, just we will go there and we will see the output. So now you are able to see, right? It is in inside of my container. I had given the container width, margin and border. You are able to see the border, right? It is in thick line, which is I had given 1 px. Just I will change it as 20 px and we will see. Okay, just I will use 20 px here. Okay, instead of 1 px, just I will use 20 and we will see the border thickness will change if I change px. Okay, inside the border, see it not look very clearly and very nicely, right? Just I will use 1 px, is going to be good. Okay, just I will use 1 px for that. Okay, 1 px, and I want to give some padding. Okay, 0 20 px, and I will give 20 px for left, right, and top, bottom. Okay, 20 px. Padding is nothing but spacing. Okay, I want to use spacing for my border or my container. Okay, I don't want get any line below my container. That's why I'm using padding. If I use padding, something will not get between those things. Okay, between my container, and if any line is there downside my container. Okay, that's where we will use padding. And border radius, just I will change border radius, so I want get some curve. Okay, that's why I'm using border radius. Just I will use border radius, and I will use 10 px. Okay, just I want to get my border some curves, that's why I'm using border radius. These are all things you can work by your own. Okay, no problem. That's why CSC is very interesting, and we can work with so many things. See, if I give we showing everything, right? So you can work with each and everything what is showing so many things here. Okay, so just we will go there and we'll see the output. Okay, see, you can able to see some curves right now, but before there is no curves like this. Okay, so now I want to give background for my container. Okay, just I will give background. Just I am giving background. Okay, now I will give, sorry, I will give light, some pink and red color. Okay, light shade of this color. Just we will go there, and now you are able to see my background has been changed inside my border. Okay, just I will refresh that. So you are able to see the change, right? Now you are able to see the my container very clearly than before. Okay, just to differentiate my website and my container, I had given some color inside my container. Okay, so I have given border, and just I will give minimum height of my container. Okay, just I will give minimum height of my container 400 px, and then I had used labels, right? So for that I want to give width. Okay, for labels, just I will give label here. So whatever I am going to give inside my label in CSS, those all CSS is going to be implemented in my label tags in my HTML. See, here I had used label tag, right? So for each and every label tag, what I am going to use here is going to be applied. Okay, just now I will change the text color. Okay, so just we will see text decoration color. Okay, just I will use violet. Okay, and we will go there and we will see whether anything is going to be changed or not. Okay, nothing is not changed because we have not used any decoration for our labels. So just I will use color. Okay, so now you are able to see my labels name before it's white. Why? Because I have not given any color to it. But now for each and every label it has changed it to violet, right? See, first name, last name, and up to message it had changed. Okay, so what we are going to give inside our CSS, that's going to be applied for entire HTML. So I want you inside the label display. Okay, just I want you display. I want to give inline box. Okay, inline box, and then I will want to give some width for those text. Okay, just I will use 150 px. Okay, and we will go there and we will see the output. See, it's getting some space for my message, sorry, for names and my input text. Okay, so for that only I am using here width. Okay, so is there anything that I want to do? Nothing, right? Just I want to give some space for each and everything, right? Like for first name, last name, they are attached in together. So just I want to use some spaces for that. For that I want to use more br tags than one thing. Okay, just we will use some more br tags. Okay, just I will use br tag. Just I had used 5 br tags here. Okay, just we will go there and we will see the output. So just I have created one form, right? Yeah, this is all our section today. Okay, just we had gone with our images and how we are going to use my image as link, and now we have created some form. Okay, okay, just I will refresh it. See, now you are able to see so much space for first line and last line. I don't want that much space, so just I will remove some br tags. Okay, and I want to show before my form that registration form. Okay, I forgot to give, so just I am giving h1 tag. Inside the h1 tag I want to show registration form. Okay, registration form. Okay, just I want to give my h1 tags as italic. Okay, text. Okay, just I will use text decoration. Just I will use solid. Okay, this decoration show color. Just I will change black as thick red. Okay, just I am giving red, and text transform. There no need to do with text transform. Okay, just we will see up to this. Okay, just we will see up to this for color and text decoration. Okay, for h1 tag.